Hello. I need a shopping cart, please.
Good morning. You can find the carts right here. Let me get one for you.
Thank you so much. It's my first time shopping here.
You're welcome. Our supermarket is easy to navigate. Do you need a map?
Oh, that's okay. I think I can find my way. Where are the shopping baskets?
The baskets are next to the carts. Would you prefer a smaller basket instead?
No, thank you. I have a long list today, so the cart is perfect.
Great choice. The cart will be easier for many items. Enjoy your shopping.
I will. Could you tell me where the dairy section is?
Certainly. Go straight ahead, then turn left at aisle 3. You'll see milk and cheese there.
Excuse me, I'm looking for canned tomatoes. Could you help me find them?
Of course. See those signs hanging from the ceiling? Look for the one that says canned goods.
Oh yes. I see it now. It's over there on the right side. Thank you.
You're welcome. Those color-coded signs are very helpful. Green signs are for vegetables and fruits.
That's good to know. What about blue signs? What do they mean?
Blue signs usually show where the dairy section is. Milk, cheese, and yogurt are there.
I understand. And the yellow signs? Are those for something special?
Yellow signs mean special discounts today. You can find good prices in those aisles.
That's very useful information. Now I know how to read the signs.
Yes, it makes shopping easier. Do you need help finding anything else?
No, that's all. You've been very helpful. Thank you again.
My pleasure. Enjoy your shopping. Have a nice day.
Excuse me, I need some help with fruits and vegetables. How do I know if this avocado is ready to eat?
Good question. Gently squeeze the avocado. If it feels a little soft, it's perfect. If it's very hard, it needs a few days.
Oh, okay. This one feels just a little soft. So it's good for today? I want it for a salad.
Yes, that one is just right. For salads, it's best when it's ripe but firm inside. Avoid ones with dark spots or cuts on the skin.
Great, thank you. I also need some tomatoes for the salad. I see different kinds. What do you recommend?
For salads, Roma tomatoes are nice. They are firm and not too juicy. Look for ones that have deep red color and smooth skin. Cherry tomatoes are also good in salads.
Okay, I will get some Roma tomatoes then. What about bananas? I like them for breakfast. How do I choose good ones?
Bananas are easy. Choose yellow ones if you want to eat them soon. Green bananas need time. Avoid bananas with lots of brown spots if you want them fresh.
Perfect, these look yellow and nice. Thank you so much for your help. This makes shopping easier.
You're very welcome. Always happy to help. Enjoy your fruits and vegetables. They are all fresh today.
Excuse me? Can you help me with this milk? I see different words on the labels.
Of course. Happy to help. What words are confusing you?
Well, I see whole milk, skim milk, and 2% milk. What do those numbers mean?
Good question. Those numbers tell you about the fat inside. Whole milk has all the fat naturally in the milk.
Okay, so skim milk has no fat? That sounds healthy.
Yes. Skim milk has almost no fat. 2% milk means only 2% of the milk is fat. It's in the middle.
Ah, I see. And what about these eggs? I see large, extra large, and organic.
Large and extra large tell you the egg size. Bigger eggs cost a little more. Organic means the chickens ate special food with no chemicals.
Special food? So organic eggs are from healthier chickens?
People often think that. Organic means rules about how farmers raise the chickens, like what they eat and where they live. Some people choose it for different reasons, like animal care or the environment.
Thank you so much. This really helps me understand the labels. Now I can choose more easily.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your shopping. Let me know if you need anything else.
Hello. I would like to buy some bread, please.
Good morning. Of course. What would you like today? We have fresh croissants, baguettes, and muffins.
Oh, that sounds nice. Can I have 2 croissants? They look delicious.
Certainly. Plain croissants or chocolate? The chocolate ones are very popular.
1 plain and 1 chocolate, please. Thank you.
Great choice. Would you like anything else? Our sourdough bread is still warm.
Maybe next time. Just the croissants today.
No problem. Let me pack these for you. That will be $4.50.
Here is $5. Keep the change, please.
That's very kind. Thank you. Enjoy your croissants.
I will. Have a nice day.
You too.
Excuse me, I need some help with these soups. Both look good, but I'm not sure which one to choose.
Of course. Let's see. The red can is tomato soup. It's very popular. The yellow can is chicken noodle soup. Which do you like more?
I like both. But maybe tomato soup today. Is it vegetarian? I don't eat meat.
Good question. This tomato soup is vegetarian. Let me check the label. Yes, here it says suitable for vegetarians.
That's perfect. Thank you. I'll take 2 cans of tomato soup, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything else? We have new pasta sauces on sale this week.
Oh, yes please. I need pasta sauce for dinner. Which one do you recommend?
The green jar is basil pesto. The red jar is tomato and garlic. Both are delicious. Do you prefer strong or mild flavors?
I like mild flavors. Maybe the tomato and garlic sauce? It sounds nice.
Excellent. That one is very tasty. It also has no added sugar. Would you like to try it?
Yes, I'll take 1 jar. Thank you for your help. You made shopping easier for me.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your cooking. Have a wonderful day.
Excuse me, could you help me find something?
Of course. What are you looking for today?
I need frozen peas. Are they in this aisle?
Yes, they're right here. See? These green bags.
Oh, perfect. Thank you. How much are they?
They're $2.99 per bag. Would you like one?
Yes, please. Also, do you have frozen berries?
Absolutely. The berries are in the next freezer. Follow me.
Great. I need some for my smoothies.
Here they are. We have strawberries, blueberries, and mixed berries.
I'll take the mixed berries. How long do they last in the freezer?
About 6 months for best quality. Remember to keep them sealed tight.
That's good to know. I think that's all I need here.
Wonderful. Let me know if you need anything else.
Excuse me, I'm looking for canned tomatoes. I can't find them anywhere.
Of course. Canned goods are in aisle 5. I can show you exactly where.
That would be great, thank you so much. I need them for my pasta sauce tonight.
No problem at all. Follow me this way, please. Aisle 5 is just around the corner.
Perfect. I'm still learning my way around this store. It's quite big.
It can be confusing at first. Here we are. The canned tomatoes are on this middle shelf.
Oh, wonderful. I see them now. Do you have different sizes? I need a large can.
Yes, look right here. The large cans are in the back row. Can you reach this one?
Yes, I've got it. Thank you for your help. You saved me a lot of time.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your cooking. Let me know if you need anything else.